Hi, I'm here today at this charming detached estate villa in Durham Farms where low maintenance living awaits. Discover the perfect blend of elegance and convenience in this rare, detached home where exterior maintenance, lawn care, and irrigation are all included in your HOA. This beautifully designed and lightly lived in home boasts modern updates from stunning decorative accent walls to built in cabinetry in the primary closet and a charming front porch swing right there in that wraparound porch. A perfect spot to relax and unwind. Ideal for buyers seeking low maintenance demands without compromising on comfort or style. Experience a vibrant lifestyle with underground utilities, well maintained sidewalks, walking trails, and a community center featuring a pool, fitness center, and playground. Stay active with a calendar full of Durham Farms community events. Don't miss this incredible neighborhood location with a large green space over here to the side and extra guest parking just steps away. Nestled in a front porch friendly walkable community, you'll be just minutes from dining, entertainment, and shopping. Plus, enjoy easy access to Highway 386 for effortless commuting. Modern, sophisticated living tailored for today's active homeowners. Come and experience all that Durham Farms has to offer. Professional photos will be coming soon on this one. Make sure you look it up.